In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a mobile information bar in Squarespace. If you're looking to make your website more accessible and user-friendly on mobile devices, this feature can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, we're going to start by accessing the mobile information bar settings. To do this, you'll need to be in your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're there, head over to the Marketing section. From the menu, you'll see the option for the mobile information bar. Click on it, and you'll find yourself in the settings area where all the magic happens. Now that we have access to the settings, it's time to enable the mobile information bar. You'll notice a drop-down menu here. Depending on the aesthetic and color scheme of your site, you have two options. You can select Enable Mobile Info Bar, Light, or Enable Mobile Info Bar, Dark. This decision should align with the overall theme of your website to ensure it blends seamlessly and enhances your site's look. Choose the one that best suits your design needs. With the bar enabled, let's move on to configuring what information you want to display. This part is quite simple but essential in making your mobile site truly functional and informative. You'll see several options to check off. First up is email. By selecting this, users can easily tap and open an email addressed to you, making it convenient for them to contact you directly with any queries or feedback. Next, consider enabling the call option. This feature is particularly handy if your business involves direct communication with clients. By activating this, your visitors can initiate a call to your phone number with just a simple tap on their mobile devices. Another option is the map feature. If you operate a physical location or wish to make it straightforward for people to find you, having this enabled will show your location on a map. This can be especially beneficial for local businesses looking to draw foot traffic to their storefronts. Finally, there's the hours option. When you toggle this on, your business hours will be displayed, including whether you are currently open or closed. This information is automatically pulled from your business information settings, so you want to ensure those are up to date to avoid any confusion for your customers. Once you've decided on the combinations of features you want and have set them all up to your liking, don't forget to save your work. Simply click the Save button, and this will apply all the changes you've made, making sure the information is live and ready for your audience on mobile devices. And there you have it. A quick and effective way to enhance your mobile site with a mobile information bar in Squarespace. I hope this tutorial makes your website not just more accessible, but also more engaging for all your mobile visitors. Thanks for watching.